question is John Cena ready? Is he ready to defeat a machine like Kurt Angle?
Let's talk. And Cena almost knocking the head off of Angle's shoulders.
I'll tell you what, that's street style right there by John Cena. And watch out, partner.
Wait a minute. Hook to the leg. They have him in a kick out by Kurt Angle. Wow.
Oh, hello. This thing just got physical. Ah, man.
Well, I'll tell you, you mentioned it earlier. John Cena had to turn this into a physical pound and ground matchup in order to have a chance in this thing, Taz, and that's what he's done here.
You think? Oh, my God.
Kurt Angle, nobody home runs into the boot of John Cena.
Oh! Kurt Angle was out wrestling Cena. Cena so smart, taking Angle out of his element, out of his game, forcing Kurt to fight him.
Wait a
the
minute.
ankle lock is grotesque. John Cena's ankle being torqued.
And look at Cena. Every ounce of pride, every ounce of strength in his body, he makes the bottom rung, and he's got to break the hold. Into the ropes.
John Cena won it. John Cena got it. Got the...
How the hell did he do it?
He's got a cover.
There's the cover. Come on, Ref. There's one. Come on, Ref.
He's got it.
John Cena is going to WrestleMania.
Here's your winner, John Cena!
I cannot believe it! John Cena has defeated the greatest pure wrestler!